wanted here what is the step size also, right? Okay, we have to return the step size also. So what will be going to do here? So this was what it will be going to do. It is a 4 evenly spaced value between 0 and 1, excluding but what? But it is excluding 1, right? So now the next thing we'll understand is about it is very important, folks. It is very important. This particular factors, this is very important. I am explaining you by saying the parameter itself for you folks. Okay, no one will going to give you this much content in detail manner. Okay, so this understand, we'll just understand that. Okay, now we want 4 even space values between 0 and 1, right? We wanted this particular thing, 4 evenly spaced values between 0 and 1, including 0 and excluding 1, including 0 and excluding 1, including 0 including 0, excluding 1, and return spacing, and return spacing. Okay, I wanted the spacing part here actually. Okay, so what I'll be going to do is basically I will just write it here, np dot linspace. Linspace here I will just write it 0, 1 and 4. Okay, so 4 even spaced values I wanted actually, so I'm just telling that. So what I'll be going to tell that is endpoint equal to false. Okay, then I wanted the return step is equal to true. Okay, if I'm just executing, see here 0.0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75. Then what I am telling to my this particular code is I wanted the step size basically. What is the step size for this particular? Now is this particular step size is 0.25. Understood, right? So this is a particular thing is about. Now if I want the 10 values between 1 to 100, okay, if we want a value between 1 to 100, we have to include 1 and 100 with equal spaced int values. Now okay, I wanted a 10 values into a 1 and 1 to 100, basically 10 values. So what I'll be going to write the same code, but I'll be going to change here basically. Okay, understand here. So 0 to 1 to 100. Okay, I wanted the numbers from 1 to 100 with 10 numbers, not 4 evenly spaced values. I wanted a 10 evenly spaced values. Okay, understanding? So then I am just trying to say that data type should be int. Okay, it should be an int, and return step should be a true. Okay, so see here, so what we are getting here 1, 12, 23, 34, 55, 56, 67, 78, 89, 100. So 10 values we are getting here actually. Understood? So 10 evenly spaced values we are getting here. Now 1 and 100, 1 to 100, the numbers from 1 to 100 with 10 evenly spaced values, with equally spaced values. Okay, so what I will be going to write is basically about, now you will be having a question, what is now difference between the arrange function versus linspace now. So from this it will be very clear about our understanding is that the arrange will consider the given range based on step value, right? So I will just try to make a note here okay, add a note here. So what is a note here basically here? So here in this particular thing, what we are going to do basically, arrange function here. Okay, in the arrange function, what we are doing actually, element will be considered in given range. Elements will consider in given range based on what? Step value. This is a particular thing. Okay, so what I'll be going to do is I will just comment it out so we will get better understanding about it, right? So it will be considering based on the step value. Now this linspace value, what will be going to do? It will specify the number of values, okay, will be considered on the given range. Okay, so element will be considered in the given range based on the step value. Okay, see here it is will be considering based on the step value, but what linspace will do? Linspace, it will going to specify elements will be specified in given range. Will be specified in given range. Okay, so this is a particular thing, folks. Okay, so now this is a particular thing now. Okay, now the thing is about this you have understood now, right? So in the next video we'll just start understanding about like what is this particularly a zeros method and how we can, what are the parameters into it, and we'll just start understanding one by one. Okay, so in the like my daily uploading the videos, folks, every Thursday you will be getting the video, folks. Okay, why? Because I'm working as well, and then I have to prepare and I have to make a note of it and I have to upload the videos, so it will take time, folks. Okay, so like if you are getting the delay in the responses, okay, sorry for that, folks. Okay, why? Because it will take time, okay, uploading the videos then and this particular thing. Okay, if you like this video, folks, if you want such more videos about it, you can just share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I will just give you will get an updates like by the notification in your mobile. Okay, so you can just have a look. If you want any suggestion for me so to upload particular video, so you can just like put into the comment section particular video I wanted basically. Okay, that's it about this video, folks. Okay, so this video has become stretched too long. Okay, for in the next video we'll just start with this. Okay, we'll just understand one by one like what is a particular thing is happening. Okay, that's it about this video, guys. So in the next video we'll just start understanding another part. Okay, another function, we'll just understand that. Okay.